I don't know why I'm doing this weird things with my hands. Okay, so I should have looked up how to say these names before I filmed this video, but here I am guessing. Okay. What? I should have brought scissors or something. I did not think this through. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne, and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay. Today is a spur of the moment video because I made a spur of the moment purchase. Yeah, what else is new, honestly? That's like my whole channel. Way back at the beginning of the month, I was scrolling through Instagram as one does, and I noticed that Odens Eye was having an Easter sale. This caught my attention because I have been wanting to try Odens Eye since I watched one of Butte Bean's videos a few months ago, and they were having a sale on mystery bundles. I love sales, I love mystery bundles, and I've been wanting to try Odens Eye, so I passed them my credit card information. Okay. 20 days later, a very unassuming box arrived at my door, and I had to film this video because I want to know what's inside of it. Okay. Just a little information about the mystery bundle. They had a few different sizes that you could choose from, and they were all in euros. It is a European company. I got the medium bundle, and that cost me 25 euros or about 30 American dollars. I have absolutely no makeup on my face because I want to unbox this package, see what we got, and then use the products in real time. Yes, I know. I do not want to wait any longer to open this package. We are going to open the mystery bundle together, and then we will apply the products to this face. So honestly, whenever the package came in the mail, I had no idea what it was. It's not labeled Odens Eye at all. It just has my shipping address on it. So I didn't know what it was until I opened this, and it says Odens Eye here in the front case of it. It's very well packaged, I will say. I have received makeup packages in the past that were not packaged properly. Things arrived broken, not from Odens Eye, from other companies that I will not mention. But so I was very pleased to see that this was very, very well packaged in a lot of bubble wrap. So I'm just going to dig into the box and grab things as I can get them. The very first thing that I grabbed is the Alva matte lip stain. The packaging is very, very beautiful. If I'm not mistaken, all of the products are inspired by Norse goddesses. So I am not educated whatsoever in that culture or the idea behind it. I will leave their website down below if you're interested and you want to check anything out, but I will not be going into any of that. So, like I said, the first thing is the Alva matte lip stain, and I have the shade Ripe Papaya. The packaging is very heavy, very nice. I believe it's glass or it is a very thick plastic, and the shade Ripe Papaya is a beautiful brown neutral color. It has a cream consistency, which I love. Oh, that's beautiful. It's a very red, brown, earthy color. I love that. Okay, moving on. The next product I can kind of see in here is a brush. Ooh, okay. It is a double-ended face brush. This looks like it could be like a powder blush brush. And then this looks like it would probably be like a foundation brush or like a concealer brush or something to that effect. But it is so cute. It's gold and pink. Perfect. It's very soft too. I will never complain to have more brushes. Okay, so I have one more product, and it looks like some sort of palette. I should have looked up how to say these names before I filmed this video, but here I am guessing. Okay, so this is a beautiful, oh my God, the packaging is perfect. This is called the Soulmane palette. Soulmane highlighter palette. Okay, so we have highlighter. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's textured beautifully. The artwork is so beautiful. This is incredible. Nothing came damaged whatsoever. Oh, they are so pretty. I'm gonna try to show you without blinding you with the mirror. but the names of the highlighters are actually written inside of the highlighter. I could have gotten very lucky as far as the shades are concerned because this looks like it is for light skin tones, and I have a light skin tone. I think these are so pretty. This pink one especially, calling my name. I've been wanting to do a pink blush, pink highlighter look lately, so I might have to do this today. Okay, so for 30 US American dollars, we got 3 products. Now, the fun of it, I think, is that it was a mystery bundle. This palette is beautiful. The lip stain, I think, is going to be absolutely beautiful. And the brush is very like, okay, I mean, I will accept it. I was hoping to get a third makeup product, but this is what we're working with today. I want to do a couple of highlighter swatches, actually. So I'm going in with the pink shade that's called Soul. Main, which is the silver shade. Wow, okay. After swatching, it's actually a silver to yellow duochrome highlight. That is so, so beautiful. Wow. I think this would be like a good daily shade for myself personally. The next shade is called Juice. Loose. It is their more goldeny shade right here. Okay, so it actually has like peachy tones to it. And the very last shade, these names, I cannot pronounce these names. Jarna. We're gonna go with that. It's a very true white shade. I don't know. Okay, hello, that's actually blue. What? Okay. That swatched blue and purple. It looks white in the pan. Look at that shade right here and tell me that's blue. Who? Okay. Okay. So I basically have to do all of my makeup and then I will be back so we can try out these products, which using the magic of editing will only be a few seconds for you. Okay, the very first product I'm going to try out, I don't really know why I feel the need to try this out on camera. It's just a brush, but I'm going to anyway. It is the face and like foundation brush, I would believe. I'm just going to use this to like blend out my concealer. Now, I will say that the brush actually feels a little plasticky, like a little pokey, maybe. All of the other products I'm using on my face to create today's look, I will just leave linked down below because this video isn't really about these products. It's about the Odens Eye products. So I will leave just everything linked down below in case you're curious as to what I'm using. Again, very pokey, very plasticky. Theoretically, this cost me $10 just due to the fact that I paid $30 and I got 3 products. So therefore, each product was $10. I know. Whoa. She's pretty and smart. I know. It's incredible. Okay, it did the job. It blended out the concealer just fine. And because I'm using a powder foundation, I'm going to just go in with the powder brush. Why not? For this foundation to actually make a difference, I might have to go in with a denser powder foundation brush, which I had initially intended to do, but since I had these powder brushes, I thought I would just try it. Everybody is freaking out about this foundation online, and honestly, I just have absolutely no idea why. This is giving me like major middle school throwback vibes. I feel like I'm getting ready for school in 9th grade. That's what this foundation makes me feel like. Okay, as mentioned previously, it's a fine brush. It's decent. Again, a little plasticky, a little pokey. It's not as soft as some of my other like powder brushes are, but it was still exciting to receive it, and now I can say I have tried an Odens Eye makeup brush. Now, would I go out and purchase a whole set? No, but I think it is pretty cool to have. So moving on. Okay, I'm back and I accidentally dyed. I was going for a pink purple look, but then it turned into a purple blue look, and we're just gonna roll with it. Okay, the next product to try is the highlighting palette. And I originally wanted to go in with this pink shade, and I probably still will, but I feel like the eye look took a turn toward purple blue. So I'd really like to try out this shade I cannot pronounce, starting with an STJ Starna. Starna? Okay. Okay. I'm going to start off with this shade Soul. I love it. Okay, I'm just gonna keep adding and adding and adding because it cannot be stopped. Okay, now I would like to put Starna. Let's try that one. Oh yeah, that's it. Okay, Starna. These are so creamy, so buttery, but so pretty. Luis Juice under my brow bone here. Oh, that's intense. I think I'm going overboard. I mean, you gave me a highlighting palette. What am I supposed to do? Okay. I love how the eye turned out. Totally accidental. Here I am. Okay. Okay. Highlighting palette, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I will probably use this for a very, very long time. You can do so many different looks with these colors. I mean, basically, they're in every shade. You have pink, yellow, blue, gold. I mean, what? It's crazy. It's crazy. I love this palette so much. Again, Soul Mane. Soul Mane. I didn't know there was going to be a test involved. Okay. Now, going in with the lip stain that will not match this look at all. Again, Ripe Papaya. This reminds me of the consistency of the Complex Culture lip cream I like, so let's go ahead and apply this. This is a beautiful rust red color. It does not go with the eyes at all, but can we just, for a moment, just alone for the lips, how beautiful of a shade this is. This is going to be like the most perfect fall winter shade. In the time that it took for me to say that one sentence, it dried down, completely matte, completely dry. What sorcery is this? This is incredible. Okay. This is the type of product that I would go purchase, like just on its own. The highlighting palette is beautiful on its own. The brush, nah. These two products alone, just in the way that they performed, were well worth the $30 or the 25 euros. Yes, yes, 10 out of 10 Odens Eye. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I am just now trying this for the first time today. So please ignore the fact that my eyes and lips, they do not go together, but round of applause for Odens Eye, yes. Overall, I am so glad that I took the plunge on this mystery bundle. I had a lot of fun. I really, really enjoy these products. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I would probably buy from them again. The only thing that is really, truly stopping me is they are a little bit expensive. It is a indie makeup brand. It's a little bit on the pricier side. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know I mostly talk about, why am I still holding these? If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I mostly talk about drugstore affordable makeup. This I would consider more on the pricey side, but I'm very glad I tried them out. I would definitely try them out again. I would probably even buy another mystery bundle from them because it was so dang fun. If you've tried Odens Eye before already and you already know that you like some products, please leave your recommendations down below in the comments because I am wanting to try out some more. I've got the Odens Eye itch. I would say I really hope you enjoyed the makeup look, but this look does not go together at all. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!